Is AI about to replace Google? That's not a futuristic thought anymore. It's happening right now. In this video, we'll explore how AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude are not just alternatives to search engines, but potentially the next evolution of how we find information. Search engines were built to index websites and help you find answers, but AI is doing something else entirely. It gives you the answer directly. No clicks, no ads, no 10 tabs open. ChatGPT with browsing, Perplexity's citations, even Gemini's integration with YouTube. This isn't search, it's synthesis. Think about it. Search engines work by taking you from one website to another, helping you navigate the web. But AI tools synthesize information from all over the internet and present it to you in a completely new way. They scrape websites, they crawl through PDFs, they watch YouTube videos, and they do it all to give you an answer to your question without you having to click through 10 different tabs. This is a huge leap forward, and I think that traditional search engines are going to have a hard time competing with these new AI tools. Google is in trouble. People are using it less and less, and it's not because of what you think. The rise of AI assistants like ChatGPT and Claude AI have forced Google to completely rethink how they search. Their answer to this challenge is called Google's AI Overviews. It was supposed to be a way to quickly get summaries of complex topics along with sources. But early user feedback has been shaky at best. People are seeing outdated answers, hallucinations, and a drop in search quality overall. Some are even saying that Google is deliberately trying to sabotage their own search engine. Even Google's co-founder, Sergey Brin, who hasn't been involved in the project for years, has reportedly rejoined the team because he realizes how serious the competition is. Google is clearly feeling the heat, and they're making big moves to stay relevant. But will it be enough? Here's why AI is the ultimate sidekick for research. AI tools are context-aware. They remember your past questions. They adjust to your tone. They let you explore deeper, faster. And for Gen Z and Gen Alpha, this is the first choice. Compare that to sifting through SEO-optimized blog spam. AI is efficient, personalized, and often shockingly accurate. Here's an example. I asked a popular AI tool to summarize the key findings from a study on the impact of social media on body image. It gave me a well-written summary of the study's limitations in just a few seconds. If I were to do that research myself, it would take hours. And that's just one example. There are literally hundreds of ways that AI can help you research faster. So, what are you waiting for? Google still dominates global search, but that business relies on ads. And AI doesn't serve ads the same way. If users switch to AI tools that don't need to show ads, Google loses billions. That's why it's moving fast. But maybe not fast enough. You see, Google is in a race against time. Time for what? Well, to make sure that people stick with their search engine when they switch to AI. Because right now, people are using Google search and other search engines to find information, but they're also using AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard to generate content, summarize text, even write code. And if people start using AI to search for things instead of using Google, then Google's ad revenue will go away. And we're already seeing this happen. In fact, just last month, a major tech company announced that its search engine had 1 billion monthly active users. That's 1 billion people who aren't seeing Google ads. So Google is in a race against time to make sure that people stick with their search engine, but will it be enough? We'll have to wait and see. In 5 years, we might not Google things anymore. We might chat with our AI. Search results could become AI conversations. Imagine talking to a search engine. You ask it a question and it responds like a human. It might even finish your sentence. Or maybe AI agents will do the searching for us. They'll pre-filter all the information and just tell us what we need. The internet as we know it could become invisible. It's running quietly behind every AI prompt, deciding which websites to show you, which ads to hide, and even what news stories to push. It's like having an invisible assistant that knows everything about you and can find anything you want in a fraction of a second. But who's in control? You or the algorithm? Is AI about to replace Google? It already has for many. The question now is whether Google can evolve faster than AI replaces it. Let me know in the comments. Is your go-to search tool still Google or something else? Like, subscribe, and share if you're as curious about the future of AI as I am. Let's keep exploring the edge of innovation together.